the floor, watch the edge. Load's ready, send it down. This bolt's fused solid, hey. Get the cutter. Hit the seam, Miro. There's moss buried deep. Woo! Careful, the panel's thin here.
Second pass on the ceiling. Mold's stubborn.
Hold it tight now, one more pass. Frame's true now, Lais. Bring the door back.
Window 2's free, pass the crowbar.
Subfloor's solid, right? We can build on this.
Almost down to bare metal, keep going.
Pulleys are turning smooth now. Phase 1 done, bring up the new panels. Line it up, ½ inch left.
One more bead along the seam.
Cover that corner, cold gets in there. Level on the east side, shim it. Easy, don't crack the corner. Don't create any right domains.
Swings clean plane. Latch holds tight.
Second coat in 20, keep it even.
Mask the glass clean, no overspray.
Seal that corner, Nate. Water pool's there.
Tight joints mill early. No gaps near the door.
Hot line on the north side, which side? Mark it.
6 fixtures total. Space them even.
Second coat tomorrow, bro. Let this set.
Lines are sharp. Clean job.
Exterior done, interior team, you're up.
All right, moving in.
Tight against the seam, no gap behind.
Clamp it 10 minutes, then move on.
Stagger the joints, looks cleaner. One more pass on the grain, feel that? Even coat frune, watch the corners.
Two hours to dry Cassaville, then varnish.
All 6 live dimed, clean circuit.
Lift on 3, easy down.
Waters live, no leaks.
Drawers run smooth, wet stink. Solid build.
Tuck the corner, hospital fold.
Angle it to the view and radon, that's the spot.
Let them hang, they'll settle.
Decanter centered rosé looks sharp.
She's ready, clear the scaffolding.
Last section down, keep it tight.
Even sheen level. That's the finish.
Tension's perfect, she'll ride smooth.
Plant them loose, let them spread natural.
That's it, she's home.
All clear, head down, team.
High above the canyon, the restored gondola glides, a testament to engineering and serenity.
The scale of the restoration is clear now.
The restoration is finally complete. It's so quiet now.